Until recently, virtual studio presentations were only a viable option for TV broadcasters. But today, they are a realistic business solution for streaming product launches, dealer events, and awards ceremonies. Events can be streamed with audience participation and provide long-term value. Stunning media elements can be prepared in advance and seamlessly integrated with your own presenters. Typically, the event takes place around a convenient studio location near you. A green screen set, lighting and camera crew ensures a high-quality outcome. The event production team works with you to plan all the details and to manage budgets and schedules. So the whole process, from planning, through rehearsals, and during the event itself, is easy and rewarding. While some key presenters are in the studio location, others can contribute from home or from their remote offices. Real-time audience participation, by webcam or chat, can be integrated too. If your creative team or agency already has event experience, that's great. They will find that working with a virtual event technical team is very similar to the events they have worked on before. After the event, your live stream can be published as is, or it can be edited and fine-tuned to create a highly polished version that's streaming on your website or YouTube for many years to come.